Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable secure boot on your PC and laptop in 2026. So how to do this, let's get started. First, what you have to do is you have to boot up your PC and load into your BIOS menu. Once you are into your BIOS, just get over to this secure boot. Under the security tab, just click on secure boot and expand it. Once you do this, you will see a secure boot enable. Just click on this, and then here you'll see it is set to disable. Just click on enable, and if this gives you this error, secure boot is not allowed if legacy option ROMs are enabled. So just don't worry, click on OK, and then click on advanced boot options right on top, and then make sure enable legacy option ROMs is unchecked. Just uncheck it, then click on apply, then go over back to your secure boot enable and enable it. It is not giving any error now. Just click on OK and restart your PC, and boom, now you know how to do this. So hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.